Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today let us see how to prepare Millets Bisi Bele Bath. It's very healthy dish, so let's get started. Ingredients: green peas, tomato, carrot, onions, curry leaves, coriander leaves, beans, potato. Next, Kodo millet soaked in water for about 3 hours before preparation. Bisi Bele Bath powder, Toor Dhal, ghee, mustard seeds, tamarind, jaggery, Asafoetida, cashew nuts, oil. Desiccated coconut powder and groundnuts are optional. Turmeric and salt to taste. Now let us switch on the stove. Add soaked Kodo millet of 250 grams to it. Add half cup of Toor Dhal. Let us pour water in ratio of 1:3. Now let us add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Now let us cook the contents in a pressure cooker until the cooker sounds 3 whistles on a medium flame. Meanwhile, on the other side, let us switch on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add 1 cup of onions. It is also known as shallots or small onions. Now let us add roughly chopped carrots, potato, beans, green peas, and saute well. I have chopped the veggies into small cubes so that it cooks evenly along with the millets. Now let us add salt to taste and saute well. Now let us add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Now let us add 3 tablespoons of Bisi Bele Bath powder. Please check the link above to view my video on how to prepare Bisi Bele Bath powder. Once the Bisi Bele Bath powder is sauteed, let us add tamarind water to it. I had soaked the tamarind pulp in water for about 10 minutes and strained water into the pan. Now let us cook the vegetables by adding some water to it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Cook until the raw smell of tamarind puree and masala fades away. Here you may use desiccated coconut to it, but I have not made use of it. Once the masala starts boiling, you can simmer the stove. Now let us add millets and dal, which was pressure cooked earlier. Gently mix along with the masala. Now let us add 1 tablespoon of powdered jaggery and mix them well. Now let the millets and masala cook along for about 2 minutes in a low flame. Now let us prepare for garnish. Switch on the stove and add half a cup of ghee, 2 spoons of mustard seeds, 1/4 spoon of asafoetida, some curry leaves, half a cup of cashew nuts. Here you can use groundnuts as well, and saute well until golden brown and garnish on Bisi Bele Bath. Now our healthy Millets Bisi Bele Bath is ready. Serve it with chips or kara bundi. Hope you will try this recipe. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.